Today I'm going to be showing you how to transform your font from looking like this to this. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is change your font. And today we're going to be using the Bernoru font. So just the plain Bernoru, not condensed or semi-condensed. If you want to, you can, but this is the one that I'm going to be using for the tutorial for today. Next, we want to duplicate the text. Now you can either click the three dots and click duplicate, or click Command D on a Mac or Control D on a PC. After you've duplicated the layers, bring the layer down below it and go back to that very top layer, and we want to change the text color to black. Next, what we want to do is select the bottom layer and add an effect to it. And we're going to add the outline effect. We want to change the thickness to 7 and change the color to black. Now we bring the second layer on top of the first layer, and then we move it up slightly above, just a little bit, not too much, just to get that effect. And there you have it.